Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I just want to show you guys a couple slimes that were from Michaels, and I'm going to show you guys if they're worth your money or not. So the first one I'm going to be showing you guys, the only reason I opened these was to make it a faster process. I did not touch them yet. Well, I touched the things to open. So there's this glitter putty. This came in two different things. You could either get like a pink, orange, and yellow, or you could get the blue, purple, and green. It's $2. I hope it's not like mixed, but they look like separators. So I took the wrapping. There's wrapping on the top. Sorry, I'm waiting for my camera to focus. Okay, anyway. Ooh, the first one's blue. It kind of reminds me of an ocean or a mermaid. It's really good. I was expecting it to be putty because they called it glitter putty. Camera's just not going to work today. I don't know if it likes that color. I'm going to go get a different colored background. I will be back in a second. So let's get a white background. No, let's use gray. Okay. Second. And it's still not going to work. Whatever. It's a really good slime. Woo. Stretchy. It's really nice. Okay. So it's like a hard coating. So it's like separator you to push down and get it out. This one's purple, obviously. Expecting it to be not stretchy, because again it says glitter putty. Wait for my stinking thing. I'm trying from a different angle. Not much better, but whatever. It's pretty nice. It's actually clear. Like if you set it down and you flatten it out a bit. Sorry that's not zooming in, that really stinks, but I can see the gray through it. The next slime is, oh, there's one more in here. Again, there's a hard thing. Push in, get it out. Last one is green, obviously. This one's the clearest, and it's the stretchiest, I personally think. The green one smells like, it smells like red apple candy. Then the purple one smells like grape juice, and the blue one smells like nothing. The blue one is pretty good. Purple one's the least stretchiest. And there's the green one. The green one's my favorite because it's the most clear. And yeah. So I would say that this is definitely worth $2 because it's just like a clear slime. It may be a little more putty-like than a slime. So it's most likely the best store-bought you're going to get. And it's $2 at Michaels. They had a whole bunch of them. Alright. So the next slime I'm going to be showing you guys today. I already took off the packaging. I'm going to be showing you guys a compound rings slime. Let me know in the comments if you've heard of them before. That's my brother. He's going, ah! Okay, so it's green, compound rings. So when you opened it, there was a clear wrapping over it, and then under the clear wrapping, after you peeled it off, which I already took the packaging, ooh, that's nice. After I took it off, there was a hard coat, like the separators in there. So on the package it said it was squishy like slime, and it said it was super stretchy, and it showed a picture. So this does not feel like a regular slime. You cannot poke that at all. Here, I'm going to put this in my background on my lap, so you guys can actually see. There we go, that's a lot better. Here, I'll show you those slimes at the end too. Your finger just goes like, okay. Now, you can see like bubbles in it, like there's a bubble right here, but like they don't really pop. It feels like weird. Like, I don't know. It's not stretchy, definitely. Well, it doesn't feel like it would stretch. Like, it's just weird. Like, it's like sticky, but then like it's not. I don't really know how to describe this to you guys. That is so hard. But if you want something to just like sit there, and it is squishy. So if you guys want, it's really fun to squish. So if you guys just want something to squish, I definitely suggest getting this. This was $4.99. So I really don't think this is worth my money. But it could be different for you guys. It's really glossy. And yeah. So like I said, I'm going to show you guys the other slimes because it was a really bad view earlier. Sorry about that. So this is the only two I have for today. And like this video if you guys want me to do more of these in the future. Let me know. And maybe I'll do a giveaway. At 10 subscribers, tell me what you guys want me to do. I'll do something crazy. Every 10 subscribers, I'll do something crazy. So there's a blue one. Separator. The blue one is the foggiest. The purple one is the second most clear. But this purple one's not very stretchy. There's the purple one. Then separator. The green one is most clear. The green one is the softest too. I got a pink one like a while back and it was super hard. So maybe it's just a certain colors. Because at Target, I got the Valens slime and all the color sets were different. So I wonder if it's just, if they don't make them all the same. This one is definitely way stretchier than the other pack that I got a while ago, like a year ago. My friend just got the other color set. I believe there's only 2 at Target. I mean at Michael's, but she got the bad one, bad colors. The pretty colors, but like bad slimes. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And make sure to hit the bell so you guys will be notified every time I post. And every 10 subscribers will do something crazy. So if we get to 10, that would be good. In the first video, and if we can get videos, if we can start getting videos to 5 likes, that's going to be our new like goal. 5 likes, and then we're going to go up by every 5. And if we get a video, any video at all, to 15 likes, I will do a whole question answer or a dare, whatever you guys would like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, like and subscribe. See you guys next time, and goodbye.